And welcome back to the channel, and today we are doing a quick review on GETIMG AI. Get Image AI, that's GETIMG, GETIMG AI. Now, GETIMG AI is an AI powered platform that is designed for generating and editing images. You see, it leverages various AI models, including Stable Diffusion, to allow users to create images from text, edit existing images, image to image transformation, that is transforming it into different styles of variations while retaining key elements. It also helps to train personalized AI models using Dreamboot. Now these personalized AI models, what they do is they take your own images for consistent characters or specific styles. Also, video generation is one of the important aspects or features of GETIMG AI. So it helps to convert static images into short videos or generate videos from text prompts. Now, what are the key points? It is very user-friendly for both beginners and experienced users. It is versatile because it offers a suite of tools for various creative and professional needs like marketing, design, and content creation. It also has freemium model, that is, it provides a free tier with monthly credits like 100 image generations and paid plans for higher usage limits, more features, and commercial usage rights. Lastly, it offers an API for developers to integrate its features into other applications. So if you want to get started, just click on Start Creating for free. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more.